Bawumia. Oh, said the other Papa Mahama. And the Mama, they say, so said your mama, Papa. I am a father, Papa. One back, I'm a Papa. If you have a Papa, oh, Mama, oh, what do you say? Oh, what do you say? The other church, Genty and Papa Mahama. Find your last money. Ebuaboro.
Amina wo tu mama no. Iradia saya ka wona gum. Enim biasia wo sise mama no. Iradia mana mama.
Yako. Bisi Ebuabo Mahama. Ebuaboro. Bisi Ebuaboro. Say, Mama, who don't know me? They say Ebuabo. Why say Ebuabo? Why say Ebuabo? On my penny, I will buy no more good no. I will buy no more good no more. Fat Bob on the back of my program. Bob,
yes, money.
Bawumia, Sabawa, also, Ebuabo, Mama, Ebuabo, Usibia, Ebuabo, Sabawa, also, Ebuabo, Mama, also Ebuabo. What's the side of Bonima, Bawumia? What did I do, Bonis? And I walk back, I'm a Buabo, and also. International Monetary Fund from IMF. I'm a Mahama. A ban so. What do Bawumia Bawumia? Bawumia Timufita. Bonin. What would you know? Maybe I have one now. Cassa Chokrodo. One guase. What about the catcher Ghana for say? I am afraid no. Tell Bomami. I am afraid no. Bomami. Also, I am briefing.
I am very determined for us to indeed reach an agreement by the end of this year. We started very constructive discussions already, and to the people of Ghana, like everybody on this planet, you have been hurt by exogenous shocks. First the pandemic, then Russia's war in Ukraine. And that we need to realize is not because of bad policies in the country, but because of this combination of shocks. And therefore we have to support Ghana because you're a member, you're a strong country, you have fantastic people, but also we have to support Ghana because your strength contributes to the strength of your neighbors. It contributes to a stronger world.
We asked for 1.5 billion initially. Now they're asking for 3 billion. Will we get it?
Let's go through the discussions and no.
Thank you so much, madam.
Thank you.
Mamino, and such a football plano.